Good morning, children. Let us start with another synthetic fiber after rayon. In last class, we have seen about rayon preparation, uses, and everything. Now, see nylon. Nylon is made from coal, water, and air. Nylon is actually first fully synthetic fiber. Okay, we have seen about rayon. Rayon is semi-synthetic, but nylon is first fully synthetic fiber, which is made in 1931. What are the properties of nylon? Let's see. Properties of nylon: it is durable. It does not lose strength even after repeated use. They are heat resistant. It is highly resistant to insect, fungi, animals, chemicals, etc. And now see the uses of nylon. You see everywhere nylon ropes, many things you have seen. But see what are the uses here. It is used for making fishing nets. You know very well, I think. Ropes. It is used for making fabrics. It is used in making machine parts. We can make parachute, umbrella, bag, tents, and many things. This type of material can be made out of a nylon. Toothbrush, tennis racket, so many things are there we can make with nylon. Now see the properties of polyester. It is very strong. It is also one type of synthetic fiber, and properties like it is very strong, it is very durable, resistant to chemical, and do not shrink or wrinkle at all. It is quick drying. It is easily washed and dried. Uses of polyester, where it is used. Polyester is used to make polyester suits. Polyester suits. Have you heard this word, polyester suits? Yes. It is used in making ropes in industry. It is used to make PET bottles. We can make mats. How we are starting with other material. Okay, so polyester. Now see about acrylic. Acrylic again a synthetic fiber, and made from polymer. Properties of acrylic: it is warm and light, soft and flexible, resistant to moth and chemical. It gives wool-like feeling, like warm feeling. And uses of acrylic: it is used in making blanket, kashmiri shawl, jacket. Like this, many things we can make with this fiber, that is acrylic. Again one more synthetic fiber, spandex. It is also known as lycra. You might heard this word lycra. Its property is it is also highly elastic and used in athletic wear and swimming costume. These all about various types of synthetic fiber and its properties and uses. Now we'll see advantages of synthetic fiber. Advantages of synthetic fiber. Very first, most synthetic fiber are elastic. They do not wrinkle easily. Okay, they are durable, less expensive, and easily available than natural fiber. Natural fiber are not easily available, but synthetic fiber are easily available. Most synthetic fibers can handle heavy load without breaking easily. They can handle, that means they are strong. Synthetic fiber are resistant to moth and chemical. So these all are the advantages of synthetic fiber. Now see the disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Most synthetic fibers cannot tolerate high temperature. Cannot tolerate means we can't wear near the gas, stove, candle, etc. If we need to be very careful. We need to be careful while iron the clothes. We need to be very careful, otherwise they may melt. Most are highly inflammable. As I said, it is not advisable to wear near the stove. It absorbs very little moisture. Okay, very little moisture, so it becomes sticky when the body sweats. This is all about various types of synthetic fibers. Advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Children, you are seeing one table is you can see in this video one table. So you learn this table all about all about various types of synthetic fiber properties and their uses are given. Advantages of synthetic fiber is also given here. Here we have completed our synthetic fiber portion of synthetic fiber. In next class we will see about plastic. Thank you.